Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition. So I found a project of interest, and in the course of this video, we'll be doing some due diligence to see what the value proposition of the project is, and of course to determine if it's safe and stuff like that. So let's get started with this project. We all know that the AI narrative is very strong at the moment, especially more timely at the moment is DeFi. So DeFi capable AI related projects, whether agents or infra. Okay, so I found this project and it has a whitelist type of situation. I don't know yet if it will have a token launch, but I believe the whitelist is related to the NFT and I'm interested because there are some there are some launch pads that are DAO type launch pads like DAO.fun. Recent today there was a AI Accelerate.fund. There is also DAO.world, and they use a whitelist mechanism in incubating contributors to their initial bootstrapping. So it's interesting basically to vie for a whitelist and all that. So I decided to take a look at this also because it has an AI element. So this is the site. And on the site, proactively, it tells you to whitelist for a Genesis pass. I went through the process. It's not a very hard process. Doesn't require wallet connection, which is good enough at this stage. So I did participate. You fill up your details, social and your wallets. It's recommended that you fill up your most prominent wallet. Solana is optional, but EVM is recommended. It said that your standing in the family will be determined by your wallet's strength. The bigger your assets, the more respect you command. Choose your primary wallet wisely. It will determine your initial rank and allocation, airdrop allocation. So I think that there is an airdrop and an NFT mint. Maybe those ERC 404 situation where the NFT contains an airdrop allocation, something like that. Again, this is me doing due diligence in the course of this video. The only thing I've done so far is filled this up. Okay, to fill this area up, you need to highlight your commitment path, and anyway, you know how to fill that up. Okay, the key thing about this form is submitting your best wallet. Okay, so that's established. That will allow you to apply for the whitelist. Now, I followed on Twitter. Let's quickly look. Oh no, sorry. Let's look at the website, our products. And here there is this product. It's a social game on Telegram. It may be of interest, so I'll be featuring it in the description. It's on Telegram. We know the situation with many apps on Telegram where a game is involved. You can foresee how sophisticated the app will be, if it's on Telegram. And there is also this Valentina. Let's see what Valentina is about. So creating magical experiences. Okay, so this is not an AI agent. This is still being run. The founder I noticed is this user here. I'm following founder of both Sonzai Labs and Telemafia. Now this is a strong project here. I know of this project, previous game designer and investor in Delphi Digital. Now if you look at so that's part of my due diligence. I looked at the followers of this user, and he has many interesting followers. This is the founder of CDFI. I don't know if there will be some form of IDO on CDFI. This is EtherFi running a game-centric L2. I don't know if it's an L2. You see, so interesting. This is also a launch pad, I think. Okay, not a launch pad. That's a person. So interesting followers there. This is the founder of Layer 0. So anyway, that's tangible enough due diligence, and of course added reasons for you to be interested. Okay, so let's look at the website one more time to gain further insight. in particular about Sonzai and the AI aspect of it. Let's click about. So here it says we are building evolving social worlds where Web3 feels natural, human, and magical. We create seamless experiences that bring communities together through innovative play and meaningful interactions. I think we will be able to get better insight in what they are trying to build. Of course, established is it's going to have a social element, it's going to be community centric, and they're building tools to enable that experience. So to gain insight into what they may be building, we may need to go on this Telegram game situation. So let's see. Interestingly, that game, it appears that you can even add it to groups. That's interesting stuff. You know, tells you of adoption. Okay, so we'll not be able to showcase it in the course of this video. Okay, so it looks like the past will also have some relevance within this game. Okay, so now I will not be able to cover everything in the course of this video. There will be subsequent videos. You know, in my case, I create ulogs. It's my own form of content, a Web3 native content that documents everything, no edits. So generally I do tens of videos about a project over the course of time instead of just one viral one. Okay, so yes, so at this stage let's look at this. Wow, let's go back here and find out some more information about the scarcity of the whitelists, what the whitelist is for. So here it says, we see your dedication. There are 2 whitelist phases to the Diamond Genesis Pass before open minting. Phase 1 for top contributors, 100 to 300 spots out of 500. Criteria, write threads on our AI. I'm just saying this, by the way. I thought that the whitelist is through the site. Okay, but there is this, which tallies with what I'm doing now. Write threads on our AI and social gaming crypto plans. Wow, so I will need to look at the documentation, and let's see, maybe I'll incorporate some of the documentation in my thread and then incorporate this video as well. Sharing about us to communities you're a part of, whitelist registrations and referrals to Mafia, attribution of whitelist registration to users. So these are the criterias. Players refer to early supporters. So there are 2 phases. One, 100 to 300 spots are allocated for phase 1. Then phase 2 is for giveaways, adding more users to the whitelist. So I don't know, you know, maybe now this is referencing Diamond Genesis Pass. I don't know if that's the same pass being referenced on here. When you click whitelist here, it just says Genesis Pass. So I don't know if there are different, you know, Genesis passes. This in particular references Diamond Pass. Wow, where is that? Okay, so let's see if we can gather more information. Okay, so the Sonzai is actually going to be a DeFi or a DeFi capable AI. It looks like it will also have AI-fi capabilities. So interesting stuff. Stronger value proposition. I mean, this enhances the value proposition of the project overall. Okay, so this is the giveaway situation. The founder is calling AIXBT to choose or select someone to win a Diamond Genesis Pass there. Okay, I'll do another video about this Tele Mafia game. You know, I'm not too strong when it comes to games, but I can manage on a Telegram game. Okay, 5 days. So this is a timeline. Sons.ai. Okay. Okay, so here it says we invested in, let's see this. Okay, I think I've seen enough, for the first video. But before we go, let's peep on the documentation. Let's peep on the documentation. Okay, interesting. So this is what it is about. The Sonzai Genesis Pass, the Ultimate Factory NFT. Let's focus here. Just a moment, please. Okay, so it appears related to the game. I don't know if this was written, it's a bit old when it was written. It's very likely that it will have some utility with respect to the AI. Okay. I mean, the AI agent. Of course, the game is going to have some AI powered features. Then, as for scarcity, there will only ever be 888. So, 500 reserved for the upcoming mint, and the remaining allocated to ascendant members of Sonzai Society. Let's quickly look here. Okay, I think that we have seen enough for this video. And on to the next video where we'll take more. I would have gathered more information and have a more established video. So bear with the state of this video. This was me documenting my due diligence. The aftermath of this video in your case, may be to do your own due diligence and then decide if you want to register for a whitelist and then track the evolution of the project. I'll be ending this video now. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Check the description for additional information. Stay awesome. Take action.